Cesar, do you have the hiccups?
No, I don't. I haven't had hiccups since you bought the camera. Oh, damn! But they're starting to go away.
I think you need to take a nap.
Really?
I don't know.
So what do they do in Ghana for the
Headstand,
hiccups?
baby. Headstand. You gotta do a headstand.
Headstand.
Yeah, you do a headstand.
Use the brick. Use the wall.
I haven't
Take
done a
all-
stand.
All the keys out of your pocket.
Pete, this is my last attempt at trying to get rid of my hiccups. It's gone. Yeah.
You sure? I think we should wait a couple seconds
Okay.
to make sure. You're a genius, man.
I know. I know. This is African, man.
Thank you for fun. I solved my hiccup problem.
All right, now you can get back to work. Concentrate.
Yeah. And I can let you work as well.
You know, baby.